Listening to vinyl has a charm that never really fades, and now with Bluetooth record players, you can enjoy that classic sound without dealing with messy cables. I have listed the best 5 Bluetooth record players that blend the warm sound of vinyl with the convenience of wireless listening. Whether you're just getting into records or adding to your collection, these options are simple, stylish, and easy to use. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Pro-Ject T1 Evobt BT. This one stands out as the best choice for audiophiles who value both style and sound fidelity. Built with premium materials like aluminum and glass, this turntable is more than just a Bluetooth player. It's a high-performance audio system. The CNC machined plinth eliminates any hollow or resonant areas, ensuring a clean and balanced soundstage. This model features Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX HD, allowing high-quality wireless streaming to your favorite Bluetooth-enabled speakers. It comes pre-fitted with the Ortophon OM10 cartridge, an excellent moving magnet cartridge with an elliptical diamond stylus for superior groove tracking and sound detail. The anti-skating mechanism and low-capacitance RCA cables also contribute to its clear, vibrant audio reproduction. Visually, the high-gloss black finish and elegant dust cover with adjustable hinges give it a sophisticated presence, making it a statement piece for any vinyl lover's setup. While it doesn't have built-in speakers, it's ideal for those who already have a premium audio system or wireless speakers. Overall, this is a stylish, well-engineered turntable for serious vinyl enthusiasts who want true high fidelity in a wireless format. Number 4. Crosley CR6046A WAGL. This is the best pick for vintage vibes combined with modern functionality. With its retro walnut finish and full-size aluminum platter, this belt-driven turntable delivers both aesthetics and audio performance. It supports 2 speeds, 331/3 and 45 RPM, and comes with a felt slip mat, tinted dust cover, and tone arm counterweight. A standout feature is its 60W built-in stereo speakers, which deliver room-filling sound. The vibration control feat ensures smooth playback, and the built-in EQ controls let you tweak the bass and treble to your liking. The carbon fiber tone arm and adjustable counterweight help reduce unwanted noise and allow accurate needle pressure for clean, consistent playback. Bluetooth connectivity adds modern convenience, enabling you to stream your vinyl to Bluetooth-enabled speakers or play digital music through the system itself. It also includes an AUX input, making it an all-around media hub. The switchable built-in phono preamp ensures compatibility with a wide range of audio systems. This is a versatile, ready-to-play unit for anyone who loves the look of classic record players but wants the ease of modern tech. This delivers a rich, full sound and retro design perfect for both new vinyl fans and collectors. Number 3. Sony PS310BT. This is the best turntable for beginners or casual listeners who want effortless operation and reliable performance. This belt-driven model features one-step auto start, stop, and return, making it incredibly easy to use. It plays records at 331/3 and 45 RPM, with a stowable 45 adapter included under the deck. What sets this unit apart is its USB output, which allows users to digitize vinyl records into MP3s, a great feature for preserving your collection or enjoying it on the go. In addition to Bluetooth streaming, the turntable also offers RCA output and a built-in phono EQ, supporting both phono and line-level outputs with 3 gain settings. The die-cast aluminum platter and redesigned straight tone arm enhance tracking precision and reduce vibration for clearer playback. The result is a rich, clean sound that exceeds expectations for this price range. Though it's constructed mostly from plastic, Sony's build quality ensures long-lasting performance. This is a compact and simple turntable that makes enjoying records feel seamless. For anyone seeking a plug-and-play wireless turntable with digital flexibility, this Sony model is hard to beat. Number 2. 1x1 turntable with built-in speakers. This turntable with built-in speakers earns its spot as the best all-in-one solution for vinyl lovers who want serious sound without extra gear. With a beautiful wood and metal design and a streamlined build, It offers a premium appearance that blends into any space. This model comes packed with features, including built-in stereo speakers, Bluetooth streaming, and support for 33 and 45 RPM playback. It also includes an AUX in port, allowing music playback from other external devices. A standout element is the magnet-type cartridge and adjustable counterweight, which deliver improved channel balance, reduced distortion, and an overall clearer, more natural sound. The Audio-Technica stylus is another high-quality inclusion known for tracking precision and enhancing audio detail. This combination makes it more than just an entry-level turntable. It's a serious player for those who appreciate sound depth and fidelity. Even though it's compact and self-contained, the built-in amplifier allows connection to external powered speakers for those wanting even more volume or clarity. Overall, this turntable is ideal for those who want plug-and-play convenience with the heart of a high-performance audio setup. Number 1. Audio-Technica at LP3XBBK. At the top of the list is this one, the best overall Bluetooth record player for a reason. This fully automatic, belt-drive turntable supports 33 1x3 and 45 RPM speeds, making it compatible with most vinyl collections. With Bluetooth wireless capability and support for Qualcomm aptX and aptX adaptive audio codecs, it delivers high-resolution audio over a wireless connection. The anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter and balanced straight tone arm ensure precise tracking and reduce unwanted vibrations, preserving the integrity of your records. The hydraulically damped lift control makes operation smooth and minimizes needle wear. It's also equipped with a built-in switchable phono/line preamp, making it compatible with both powered and passive speakers via RCA cables. This turntable strikes a perfect balance between ease of use, flexibility, and sound quality. The automatic operation is beginner-friendly, while the advanced audio specs satisfy more seasoned vinyl fans. Its modern design and reliable performance make it a standout choice for any setup. Whether you're going wireless or connecting to an analog sound system, this gives you everything you need in one sleek package, making it the best overall pick for vinyl lovers who want quality, convenience, and versatility. Whether you're new to vinyl or a longtime collector, these top 5 Bluetooth record players blend vintage charm with modern convenience, giving you the best of both worlds. From smooth wireless streaming to timeless analog sound, each turntable on this list is built to elevate your listening experience. Want to grab one for yourself? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow vinyl lovers, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews.